Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change subtitles, background color, and opacity on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down. Then in here, tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and then go to the hearing section and tap on subtitles and captioning. Then tap on style, and then you can tap on create new style. From here you can change the background color by tapping on color in the background section. In here you can choose a color, a background color, and then at the top here, tap on the preview window to take a look what it looks like. And then we tap on the back key. Here you can change the opacity to 100%, 50%, 75%, or off by selecting 0. So here we can set it to 100%. And if we go back and tap on color, this is what the color looks like. And that's it. So that is how you can change your subtitle, background color, and opacity on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.